I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow.
Hey my beautiful Sunshine Gang, how y'all doing? And if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And today, y'all, is a sponsored video. This company named Atozwig reached out to me for the second time to review another wig for them. And this is the wig right here that I'm reviewing for them. It is a curly hair unit. And before we get into the wig review, I'm going to show y'all this card this little card right here that was sent with the wig. And they have different wigs on here that y'all can see on display. And this is the card right here. This is the company, and this is one of the wigs that they have that the model has on. And this one right here is a Remy human hair wig. And these are other wigs that they have. And they even have a wig on the back. And this company is on Amazon, and I will link all the information in the description box below. But y'all, let's get into this wig review. As y'all can see at the beginning of the video, you know, I was trying to play around with this wig, trying to figure out how to style it and all that good stuff right there. And I use this BB foam wrapping lotion, and I just put a little bit on the wig, and I use my oil-free wig shine, and I also use this salon selective humidity resistance hairspray, and I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. And y'all, this is what I came up with. Okay, the cons about this wig is that I wish it had like a party space, because you know I was trying to do like the flip over method. Like I was trying to part it to see how I want the bang to go. And y'all see what I'm talking about? It doesn't have any party space. I wish it had a party space in it. And another thing is this unit, it does tangle. But I had washed this wig last night and I let it air dry because it had a funny smell to it. And I wish like the curls were easier to like come through. You know, like how some curly units, they're like they're kind of easy to come through, but this one is not. But other than that, I do like the curl pattern of this wig, and I do like the color of it. I do like it that it is in a natural color. It's in the color 1. And I like that it was kind of easy for me to like do this type of style with this wig, if y'all understand what I'm saying. And no, this is not a lace wig. This is just a regular synthetic unit. And I know I showed y'all the cap construction at the beginning of the video. It only comes with 1 comb, and it comes with the adjustable straps. But I do think this is a really nice unit to wear, like to the, I don't know, maybe you could wear this to the beach, you know, on a nice sunshiny day. You know, have those beach curls in it. But I believe like if you work with this wig, it'll be a nice style to wear. I don't think you will get that much wear out of it because it's tangling and it's shedding too. I mean, look. I wish it was easier for me to like run my fingers through and like loosen the curls up to make the hair a little bit more poofier. But I guess it's okay like this. I do like the style. You know, some people don't like a lot of big hair. So this right here is okay. I mean, I'm not just crazy about it, but I do like it. I think it's styled nicely. And the price of this unit was $20.99. And like I said, the company that sent me this unit is called Atozwig. So they do have human hair units too. Y'all would just have to go on Amazon and type it in the search bar, and that their wigs, it will, show up whenever you type in their information. But I would like to thank them for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate that. And as y'all know, this is the second unit that they sent to me. The first one was that 613 blonde unit that they sent me in. I will link that video in the description box too, just in case if y'all haven't seen that video. And this hair, it is full. Like, it's full, and the tracks are not showing. So that's a good thing. That is really a good thing. And this is how their hairline looks. Let me break it down. This is how their hairline looks. And this unit, it does feel comfortable on my head. It's not tight. And yes, I do have the straps together. So it's not tight. So that's another plus. So it's comfortable to where it's, I guess you could say I have a big head, because like some units I do wear, they don't feel comfortable on my head. So those constructions don't feel very good on my head, but this one does. So if you have about the same size head as me, and if you want to purchase this unit, then I would say go ahead. I think any type of wig is workable. You can work with it. You can style it how you want it, and you can wear it. You know what I'm saying? And I really like this. I like the natural feel that it has, to this type of hair. I like the curls. I like the color of it. I do like the way I got it kind of styled. I just wish it had a parting space right there, and it would look way more natural. That's what I don't like. But overall, like I said, I do appreciate them for sending me this unit. Thank you, Atozwig. And this is my honest review. This is my opinion about this wig right here. And if you have ever ordered a wig from Atozwig, let me know in the comment section below, because they do have mixed reviews. They have like really good reviews, and then they have really bad reviews. But y'all know how they can go. I believe just about every company out there have mixed reviews about them. But that is it for this video, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section below, and I will see y'all in my next video.